friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make salted diamond cuts. Very easy to make and an instant recipe, so let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. To a mixing bowl, I've taken 1 cup of maida. If you prefer not using maida, you can alter this with 1 cup of atta. To this, add 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of oil. Mix it well with a spoon. Make sure the oil and salt is well spread. Now it's nicely mixed, so start adding little water at a time and knead it well. We're looking for a chapathi batter consistency, so add water accordingly. Now we have it right, so divide the dough into 2 equal portions and keep it ready. Now to a rolling board, sprinkle some maida and place the dough on it. Start to spread it using a rolling pin. Spread it evenly and make sure you spread it very thin. We are now ready with a very thin sheet, so start to make diamond shaped cuts using pizza cutter. Now it's all ready, so let's go make the salted diamond cuts. Heat sufficient amount of oil in an iron pot. When the oil is nice and hot, drop in the diamond cuts. Fry the diamond cuts in high flame for 2 to 4 minutes. Flip sides continuously to make sure all the sides are evenly colored and cooked. It's been 2 minutes now and our diamond cuts are nice, crispy and golden brown, so let's now remove them. You can serve the salted diamond cuts with a hot cup of tea and enjoy with your family and friends. You can also store it in an airtight container and enjoy for a week's time. Very easy, healthy and crispy snack recipe. So do try the salted diamond cuts recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.